Hey guys, Amy with mycouponingbuddy.com here. I just did this whole video and then realized I had some funky setting on my phone and you couldn't see my screen, so gonna do it again. It's gonna be like deja vu this Monday morning. And I actually did this video yesterday, but deleted it accidentally on my phone, so this is my third time. I should get it right. Take 3. I should get it right this time. All right, so we're going to do the best deals of the Publix weekly sale, 10/28 to 11/3 or 10/29 to 11/4. First, I want to go over some sweet deals that came out Saturday night. All right, first, if you have not signed up for this free koi drink coupon, I'm going to put the link below. It's absolutely free. You just sign up for their emails and they email you the coupon within a few minutes. And you can take that to Publix. They go on BOGO on Publix quite often. So if you want to wait and you're in a true BOGO area, you can get 2 free, but if you just want to try them, or if you've tried them and you like them and you just want to drink one for free, there's a free coupon right there. The Talente, always want to say Talentini for some reason. The Talente ice cream coupons reset for the deal next week. So I'm going to go over that in a minute. Arm & Hammer is going on now, and a new printable coupon came out, so I will put the link to that below. The Febreze deal is next week. It got sweeter. There is a Laughing Cow cheese deal going on right now. They are on sale $2.50. There's a $1.50 off 1 digital coupon. If you did not clip the digital coupon, I'm so sorry. It's gone. If you haven't heard my rant about clipping all your digital coupons and clipping them often, I'm going to do it really quickly. Clip every single digital coupon. I don't drink Planet Oat milk. I don't have kids in Huggies diapers, but I still go in and I clip all those digital coupons because you never know when there's going to be a sale on an item and the digital coupon's going to make it free. Publix puts out quite a few digital coupons that are high value that you can't get anywhere else, or they put out free digital coupons quite often. However, they only last for about a day. That does not mean you have to run out that day and get that product. You clip that coupon and it stays in your digital coupon wallet until it expires. But if you don't clip it, you're out of luck. It disappears. So they do a limited number of clips. They might put out 10,000 free cups of yogurt on 10/31. And when 10,000 people have clipped that coupon, it's gone. So it may be all day, it may be 2 days, it may be, but I'm going to say on an average, they last about a day for the free items. So clip them. Go in. I clip Wednesday, Thursday, I check, and then definitely Sunday morning. Go in at least 2 to 3 times a week and check all the digital coupons and clip every single one of them. All right, rant over. This Band-Aid deal is going on now. It's a new printable coupon. The insert coupon is limit 1, which made this deal kind of sucky. But since the printable came out, we can now use a printable and an insert coupon, making it a much better deal. So these Band-Aids are regular price $3.19. When you buy 2, it comes to $6.38. There's a $1 off 1 digital coupon. There's printable coupon. There's a $1 off 1 insert coupon in your RMN 1025. So Sunday's RMN. And then there's a $3 off 2 coupon found in the extra savings flyer. So you stack all 3 of these coupons. This one is for 1 box of Band-Aids. This one is for your second box of Band-Aids. And then this one is for 2 boxes of Band-Aids. You're going to pay 69 cents at the register, but if you hurry, and I'm not going to promise that this is going to stay there, but there is a $1 off 1 Band-Aid Ibotta rebate. It's only on specific Band-Aids, and there's a 50-cent Ibotta rebate on Band-Aids. So run over there to Ibotta. You know how those Ibotta deals go. It could be gone by the time you get there and get to the car, so don't bank on it, but it's there. Now it's there. Then there is a rebate offer for $10, a $10 Visa gift card when you spend $25 on certain products. If you're buying Tina pads, Tina is included. Band-Aids are included. Let me think what else is on sale. Motrin is BOGO next week. It's included. But you must do these all in one transaction. Same with this one below. So it needs to all be in one transaction. So it's going to take a bit of planning, but you can get $10 back on a $10 Publix gift card back. All right. I think that is, oh, the Motrin, which we're going to go over. All right. Yes. Yes. All right. We're done. Okay. All right, let's get on to business for next week. Quaker oatmeal on sale BOGO at $3.67. There's a $1 off 2 coupon found in your Smart Source 920. Buy 2, use 1, pay $1.34 a piece. Those used to be part of Stocking Spree. Pretty sure they are. Pretty sure they're Stocking Spree. I don't know. Maybe it's just the canister. I don't know. I would try submitting them to Stocking Spree if you haven't. Huh, I wonder if that coupon reset. That's my oldest son's favorite gum. Okay, Planet Oat Milk. This goes back to the digital coupon rant. This digital coupon is no longer available to clip, but if you clipped it, it's still in your digital wallet and it's good until 11/5. And next week, Planet Oat Milk is on sale 2 for $5. So you use that digital coupon and pay just 50 cents a piece. Dunkin' iced coffee on sale BOGO at $4.99. There's a $1 off 1 coupon found in your RMN 920. It does expire on 10/31, so you want to do this deal early in the sale. Buy 2, $4.99. Use 2 of the $1 off 1 coupon. Pay $1.50 a piece. Talente ice cream is on sale BOGO. This coupon reset, so if you've previously printed it, it is available to print again, 2 more prints per device. Buy 2, use 1 of the $2.50 off 2 printable coupon in the link provided here. Just click on it, take you straight to it. Pay $1.18 each, or you can use this coupon down below. You just use it twice. It's the same denomination. It's $1.25 off 1. So it would come out to the same amount. It's just a different coupon. So you can, I believe these are limit 2 per transaction. So you could actually get 6 if you use 2 of these and 2 of these in one transaction. Then submit them to Fetch. They're part of the $10 when you spend $30 on Unilever products, which is going on now. I've gotten quite a few gift cards from this deal. I did 3 on my account. Now I'm passing my receipts on to my husband. So it's an awesome offer, and very easy to, I just redeemed a $50 Walmart gift card last night from Fetch. So click on the link there. If you haven't joined Fetch, click this Talentini word right here. It'll take you to it. I think the whole thing takes you to it. Just click there and that should take you to Fetch. If you haven't joined, join on your phone. It's a wonderful rebate app. Super, super easy to use. I would recommend it over Ibotta right now because I'm a little annoyed with Ibotta over personal, but it is very, very easy for beginners. All right, Blue Wilderness cat food on sale BOGO. Buy 2 at $1.69. Use one of the $1 off 2 coupon found in your Smart Source 913. Again, this one expires on 10/31, so you want to do this deal early in the sale and pay 35 cents each. Bic disposable razors are on sale. Phenomenal deal on this. I'm going to preface this by saying they vary so much from store to store. One store in my area has these at $6.99. My store up the street has them at $7.79, and the store another mile away up the street has them at $7.48. So just in my area, they vary. But I know that in like parts of Georgia, there's some of people are sending me pictures that they're $5.99. I mean, just I did the deal on the high end. I picked the highest picture I had, the 748, because I wanted you to be prepared. Buy one at it's going to be $4.48 because it's a $3 auto deduct sale. So $3 is going to come off of whatever your Bic Soleil razors cost. Use one of the $3 off printable coupon there in the link and pay $1.48. The coupon is a little tricky if you're new to coupon printing. It's a Smart Source coupon, which are notorious for being pains. I've put some information here for you to download the software and stuff if you're new to printing Smart Source coupons. All right, Motrin is on sale BOGO. The 80 or 100 count bottles. The 100 count bottle is $10.49. Well, the ad said $10.49, so I went with $10.49. My picture says $10.29, so who knows? I went with the worst case scenario. $10.49 for 2. I'm sorry. Buy 2 at $10.49. Use 2 of the $1 off 1 printable or the $1 off 1 coupon found in your 1025 RMN. Oh, I'm sorry. It's limit 1 coupon per customer. So I need to change that. You're not going to use 2. Well, okay. So apparently I realized it was limit 1 per customer when writing the deal and didn't change this number here. You're going to use 1 of each. Use 1 printable and 1 insert coupon and pay $8.49 for 2 or $4.25 each. If you purchase $30 worth of these products down here, you can redeem the $10 gift card that I was talking about earlier. They have to be in one transaction, and this one expires 10/31, so you need to do it before 10/31. There's quite a few Neutrogena things, like the Neutrogena wipes are on sale at my store. I'm going to try to do a breakdown for one of these if I have a second. I will do an example breakdown, but it's probably going to be for this one because there's a lot on sale in this one, where this one doesn't cover so much. Tina is on sale. We'll see. All right. Febreze on sale. Buy 3, get 3. So you're buying 3, you get 3 off. $3 off. So buy 6 Febreze at $3.29. The spray is the cheapest. So buy the cheapest that's included. The oils are included, the candles are included, but you're going to pay more for them. Buy 6, and you would use the same scenario for the oils or the candles. You buy 6, you use 2 of the buy 1 get 1 free coupon, and then use 1 of the $3 off 2 digital. You pay 79 cents a piece for 6 of the sprays. If you want to do the oils, they cost more. I don't know off the top of my head. Let's see. Are the vent clips included? Yes, the vent clips are included. You could do the car vent clips if you're interested, but not the small spaces. It looks like the buy 1 get 1 free coupon excludes the small spaces. All right. So pay 79 cents a piece. That is a stock-up price on Febreze. Alright guys, so that's it for the best deals next week. And the deals that I started yesterday. Wonder what Lola is. I don't know. Her name was Lola. She was a showgirl. Know how it goes? It doesn't give us very much information. I don't know what Lola is. Alright, well that's a new coupon. Alright guys, so get your coupons ready now. Print your coupons. Order your coupons. Check your inserts if you bought inserts or got them in the mail or in the newspaper this week. Check them and make sure that the coupons that for the deals are in them, because there's a lot of regional coupons now. So get ready now, today, so you won't be surprised Wednesday or Thursday when your sale begins. All right, guys, happy couponing.